B.A.M Squad, and you are now tuned into
B.A.M TV.
I'm Mari.
I'm Bree.
And this is Elena.
And I'm Mommy. So today, what y'all doing?
So today we are making cinnamon rolls.
Uh-oh, watch Lena say. Oh, Lena ain't parting with the cinnamon rolls. Y'all, Elena is upset.
Wait.
Oh, wait, okay, she crying. She been crying. Let's try to put her little tears up. Okay, so today, y'all cooking cinnamon rolls. All right, you gonna rip it open, Elena? Rip it open. Ooh, big girl. Yeah. Good job. All right. So they got the cinnamon rolls on deck today. Y'all ever make cinnamon rolls before?
I think we have, yeah.
Y'all did? Oh, y'all don't need my help.
Okay.
Y'all need me?
Yes.
You need me? You need me? Girl, Bree don't be wanting to talk, y'all. So, all right, y'all. Let's start off. I be scared to open these cans. Mari, you scared to open the can? Open the can, Mari. I'm scared it's gonna pop on me. Here, Bree, open the can. You scared to open the can? Peel the paper.
It's just peeling the paper, not the actual thing. It's just peeling the paper.
Cause they're gonna open it so you can make it.
I'm confused. It only opened the, it only ripped the paper.
It didn't pop.
No.
So we need a spoon then.
Ooh.
This was like take a spoon and press it down if it don't pop open. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hold Lena. Hold Lena. Yeah, I'm always scared of the pop. Scared of the pop. Oh. I think we do need a spoon. A knife ain't gonna work. Oh, there you go. It ain't pop that out. I think we're gonna get some air out.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this one. What is it, Elena? What did you call that?
Cake.
It's cake. Those are cinnamon rolls.
Let's smell them. What on, baby?
It makes me like cinnamon toast crunch.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
It does.
Oh, what y'all think it'll taste like if y'all added some cinnamon toast crunch to it?
No.
Y'all wanna try that? Let's try it. Ooh, we got some. Oh, we got some?
Yeah.
Ooh, grab some. Let's try it.
Cinnamon on cinnamon.
All right, close that. Ooh, so we can do like cinnamon toast crunch on half of them? I think that'll be good. Okay, so what the directions say? I ain't made them in a long time. So it says preheat the oven. We already preheated the oven, right? 400 degrees. What is it on?
342.
What did Daddy put it on? Daddy, what you put it on?
375.
375.
Yeah.
It says on 375 for a non-stick, so this is non-stick.
Yeah.
It says place the cinnamon rolls in the pan, and we're gonna bake for 13 to 17 minutes. It says place them 2 inches apart. So we might need another pan. We're gonna put them in this pan though. Let's see. So who's gonna start placing?
Me.
We're gonna have you. And y'all, we already washed our hands and everything. We all clean.
Mom.
Counters clean, everything clean. Huh? Ooh, you wanna the icing?
Yeah, I see.
All right, here.
Came
You wanna
open.
pull it apart. So just pull them, separate them, and place them inside the pan.
I don't want to waste the icing. Ah. Like,
I'm trying to come with it.
the icing popped open.
I like when they kind of cook closer together though, because then they be like real soft, you know.
Which one do I place it?
You can put it like that. That's fine. Okay, Lena want to put it in one. There you go, Lady. Put it down on the. There you go. Good job. Good job.
You can probably like slide those in some.
Hmm.
You can probably slide those
It
in
smells
some.
good.
Yeah.
Oh, it does smell good.
The smell space part.
Y'all, Elena is a smells person. Like, she likes to smell stuff.
Yes.
She is a big smeller.
Oh, good.
It does smell good.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it does. So cinnamon toast crunch on some of it. Y'all gonna crunch up the cinnamon toast crunch, or you gonna? They're really 2 inches apart, y'all. So what y'all want to do? Y'all want to still leave them like this and bake them like this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's
Take out. I see. Just
I
take out the
thought
whole
we were
bag.
going to put them on it.
Hmm?
I thought we were
You gonna crunch them? You gonna? I think you should bake it on there, so it bakes inside. Y'all might want to get like a Ziploc bag, like one of those sandwich bags, and like crunch it.
Do you have to put them on all?
Oh, let's do that. No, you can put it on just half if y'all want to. Or put it on a couple. Crunch it over the counter. Yeah. So
How many?
just right there. Don't do all of them. And then Bree, you can do like these right here. These 3. Elena finna eat this.
Here, bring it.
Cinnamon toast crunch. Yeah. That's good. Oh, she wanted to put some on. Alright. Yep. Alright, so now we're gonna stick it in the oven. Oh, and y'all, make sure, we forgot to tell y'all, make sure that you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that y'all join B.A.M Squad if y'all haven't already. And y'all, thank y'all for, our already subscribers. Thank y'all for being a part of the squad. We appreciate y'all. But yeah, we're going to stick these in the oven.
This is gonna be so good.
I think it is going to be good.
Cinnamon on cinnamon, cinnamon toast crunch.
Cinnamon overload. What's up, guys? So we are back. The cinnamon rolls are out of the oven. Look at them, y'all. They look good.
Good.
Now, only thing is, look at the ones with the cinnamon toast crunch. We should have smashed them up a little smaller, or like maybe mashed them inside of the dough, cause it ain't go. But it's okay. It's okay.
It's still gonna be good.
It's gonna be good, cause they're gonna drizzle the cream on top, and they're gonna go. They're gonna be good. All right, y'all ready? So y'all both can get a cup. Make sure you don't touch the pan because it's hot. It's still really, really hot. The icing, don't dump.
Just
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
Yeah, because you gotta have enough to go on all of it.
Yeah.
And don't forget you got some more in the oven. Oh goodness.
Bree pointed
Oh
out.
goodness.
Bree.
Oh goodness. Free. Oh my God. Ah! Wait. Granny. Please.
She put all the
You want
icing.
help? All right, let's let Anna do some. Yeah. You ready?
Wait.
Yeah, let's go.
Go ahead.
I know which one I'm getting.
Ooh, good job, lady. Good job. Huh?
Hot.
It's hot.
Hot.
Yeah. That actually looks really good, the one with the cinnamon toast crunch on it. Look at that. That looks really good. Here, let's add a little more.
Can I eat it?
You already eat it? Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to put some more. Alright. So, which one you want? That one? That one? Alright, which one you getting? Woo! Hot, hot. Alright, Lena, let's get ours. Give me one of your napkins here.
Here you go.
We're gonna get one. So me and Lena gonna get one of the ones with the cinnamon toast crunch on it.
Oh my God.
This is the one I was eyeing. Ooh,
It
Time
looks
for the
so
test taste.
Good.
this look good, y'all. All right, Bree, what it tastes like?
It good, Bree?
It's good. Hold on, wait. We gotta blow because it's so hot. It's so hot. Hold on. Hot.
Them things still hot? They smoking?
Demon, boy. Well, Mar, it's good. All right, let's get Lena reaction. All right, Lena. What you think?
Is it yummy?
Is it good, Elena? Oh. All right, let me see. That's good. What is your favorite part of cinnamon roll?
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
The cinnamon?
Of these ones or just all cinnamon?
Any cinnamon roll.
Yeah, definitely cinnamon.
My favorite part of cinnamon roll is the center. I love the center of the cinnamon roll. That's where all the goodness at.
I know. But sometimes it's also the most cinnamon.
That's the goodness. That's the goodness. That's where all the cinnamon and the icing and all that at.
I know, but
Look how you looking at me. Y'all see how they look at me? I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna give it to you. But all right, y'all. So the cinnamon rolls was a success. They turned out good. Make sure y'all go grab y'all a can of Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. Make sure y'all sprinkle y'all little cinnamon toast crunch on there.
or your other cereal.
Oh, yeah, or some other cereal. Look at Bree. She going for the second one, y'all.
Round
This is
two.
a sweet lover. Oh,
Yes,
she gotta
sir.
try the one with cinnamon toast crunch. Let us know what you think, Bree.
Round two.
Before we end it, let us know what you think. All right, y'all. Would she like it? It's hot. What you think? You like it? Yeah? Which one is better? The regular way or with the cinnamon toast crunch on it? You like the regular one better? Yeah. But alright, y'all. So we thank y'all for watching. Make sure you guys tune in next time. And don't forget, we dropping these videos every single week. Every Friday, y'all. Make sure y'all tune in, okay? So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you guys don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's say it 5. She want to finish the rest of her cinnamon roll. Make sure y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank y'all for watching B.A.M Squad, y'all. Alright, we'll see y'all next time. Bye.